HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot and Rescue mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again, just to confirm the operation. Afterwards, let's prepare the USB-C cable connected to your computer. Then let's start holding the volume down on your device. So here I have volume down. Keep holding volume down, and while holding this key, connect your device by using this USB-C cable. Keep holding volume down. And now you may release it. As you can see, this is the Fastboot mode. So here you can use the Fastboot and Rescue mode. And you may also read a couple of useful information, for example, the FRP lock status. That's it. If you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key for a long time. Keep holding power key. Now the device is restarting, you can release power key and also disconnect your device from your computer. Let's just wait until your phone will be able to show you the home screen. Excellent, so everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.